Virtual reality, is it just a gaming trend, or is it about to revolutionize the way we work, learn and live? Today, I'm diving deep into why virtual reality is not just for gamers. It's rapidly becoming a multi-billion-dollar industry with huge untapped opportunities. And if you act now, you could be ahead of the curve. Sure, gaming was where virtual reality began to blow up. I mean, who wouldn't love an immersive version of Call of Duty? But here's the kicker. Virtual reality is already changing industries like healthcare, education, real estate, training. From virtual medical procedures to training employees in realistic, risk-free environments, virtual reality is becoming a massive tool for businesses to save money and speed up learning curves. Let's talk numbers. The global VR market was valued at around $13 billion in 2020. Fast forward to 2030 and is projected to hit over 184 billion US dollars. That is like a 33% annual growth rate. Massive. As virtual reality becomes more affordable, more industries are jumping on board. Whether it's a retail giant building a virtual shopping experience or a school giving students virtual field trips to ancient Rome, the possibilities are limitless. So now the real question to ask is, how do businesses make money? The answer is very simple. Sell an experience. Businesses are using virtual reality to create unique customer experiences like test driving cars from your living room or exploring a new home without leaving your couch. IKEA even lets you design your space using virtual reality. And that's not all. Virtual reality is also shaking up corporate training. Walmart, for instance, trains their employees using virtual reality scenarios. Imagine practicing customer service in a completely controlled environment. And here is where it gets really exciting. We are not even close to fully tapping into what virtual reality can do. This is the next big question. Is virtual reality the next gold mine? Duh. Yes. Big players like Meta, Apple, and Microsoft are betting on the future of virtual reality. And if their vision of the metaverse comes true, VR will not just be a product, it will become a new way of living and working. For businesses, this opens up new revenue streams. Think virtual advertising, virtual events, and even virtual product launches. Companies could create entire virtual retail spaces where you buy not just physical items, but digital ones too. We are already seeing this with brands like Gucci and Nike in the metaverse. At this point, I believe I've convinced you enough. So the next question you ask yourself is, how do you get in on the action? If you're a developer, start learning platforms like Unity or Unreal Engine. If you're more on the creative side, dive into virtual reality content creation. There's a massive demand for freelancers and businesses who can build virtual experiences, design 3D environments, or even consult on virtual reality integration. Plus, don't forget the potential of virtual real estate. Platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox allow you to buy, sell, and develop virtual real estate. You literally have a map of digital real estate that you can sell. Yes, you heard me. People are already making millions flipping virtual land. VR isn't just fun and games. It's solving real-world problems. And with remote work here to stay, virtual reality is giving teams virtual reality is offering teams a new way of collaborating in virtual spaces. No more boring Zoom calls. So, you've heard from me. Whether you are a business looking to innovate your products, increase the quality of service, or you're an individual that is ready to cash in on the next big thing, virtual reality has the ability and the potential to change everything and take things to the next level. The big question is, will you be a part of it? It's one thing to blabber about virtual reality, talk plenty about virtual reality, and it's another thing to showcase a real-world project accomplished in virtual reality. See my money faces. I really can't wait for the next video.